Assalamu alaikum. I am Zainab Imran. Welcome to Math Easy with Math Mentor. In this video, I will explain you how to solve the fraction sums using BODMAS. Now, this is the question. In this question, there is only plus minus sign. So, whenever there is only plus and minus sign, you will just move from left to right. So, if the fractions are in mixed fractions, so you are going to convert it into improper fraction first. So that I explained in my previous video as well. So you are going to multiply whole number with the denominator and then you will add numerator. So 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1 is 13 by 4 plus same change it into mixed fraction into improper. 3 to the 6 plus 2 8 by 3 and then minus 6 plus 5 is 11 by 6. Now, when denominator is not same, you can't add the numerators. For that, you have to make the denominator same by taking the LCM. Now, LCM of 4, 3 and 6 is very easy. That is 12. You can find it mentally. But if you don't know how to find it mentally, so you are going to take the LCM of 4, 3 and 6. After that, now you are going to make the denominator 12. Now, here students are doing mistake. What they are doing, they are making the denominator 12 by multiplying, like 4 times 3 is 12, तो 3 से multiply करते हैं, but they are skipping this step. They are not multiplying the 3 in the numerator as well. So you have to multiply same number. If you are, your LCM is 12 here, so you will of course multiply 4 by 3. So you are going to multiply numerator as well by 3. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. Now 3 times 4 is 12. So you are going to multiply 8 as well with 4. Minus 11 by 6. Now 6 times 2. So you are going to multiply in the numerator as well. So 13 times 3 is 39 by 12. Plus 32 by 12. And minus 22 by 12. Now you can see your denominator is same. You can add and subtract in the numerator. So make it single fraction first. Over 12. Now 39 plus 32 is 71 minus 22 over 12 equals to, when you subtract, it will be 49 by 12. Now it's an improper fraction. So you can write improper fraction as a mixed fraction. So it will be 4 whole number 1 by 12. You can check your answer by multiplying 4 with 12, 48 plus 1, that is 49 by 12. I hope it's clear to you. Let's do one more example. 5 whole number 3 by 7 divided by 2 whole number 4 by 5 minus 11 by 15 divided by 4 whole number 1 by 6. Now in this question you can say there is a division sign, there is a bracket and minus sign as well. So first, whenever there is a bracket, you are going to solve bracket first. So you are going to apply here BODMAS. So first you are going to solve this bracket. You can underline as well whatever operation you have to do first. Okay, so equals to, again you are going to change the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So it will become 35 plus 3, 38 by 7 divided by, it will remain as it is because you have to solve first bracket. So again I am going to change this into improper fraction. So it will be 10 plus 4, 14 over 5 minus 11 by 15 will remain same, and divided by, change it into improper. So it will be 25 by 6. Again, keep the first fraction same, divided by, because we have to solve first the bracket. Now you can't subtract because denominator is not same. For that you have to make the denominator same. So 5 and 15 LCM is 15. It's very easy. So make it 15 by multiplying with 3, and don't forget to multiply in the numerator as well. Now 14 3s are 42 minus 11 and make it a single fraction divided by 25 by 6. Now 38 by 7 divided by, now subtract it, 42 minus 11 is 31 by 15 and divided by 25 by 6. Now I have explained in my previous videos that if there is a division sign, change it into multiplication. Switch this into multiplication and flip the next fraction. Switch this sign to multiplication and flip the next fraction. So let's do. Now 38 by 7, change into multiplication and flip the next fraction. It means 15 over 31. Again multiplication and 6 by 25. Now when there is a multiplication sign between the fractions, so you can do cancellation. Here students are again doing mistake. They are taking the LCM. No. Big no. Do not take LCM when there is a multiplication sign or division sign. For division, you will flip, change the sign, and when there is a multiplication, do the cancellation. LCM you can take only when there is a plus and minus sign. So now you can see, you can do cancellation numerator and denominator or cross as well. So 15 and 25, they are cancelled with 5, 3 and 5 times 5. Now I am going to write the rest of the numbers numerator in the numerator like this, over 7 into 31 into 5. So you can multiply like mentally, if you can, like 3 6 are 18 over 7 into 155, and now you can multiply it. It will be 38 into 18. You can do mental maths or you can use here calculator as well. 684, because you can do like this, 30 into 10 and then 8 into 8 and then plus. Okay, and 155 into 7 is 1085. So this is your answer. I hope you like my video. Thank you so much for watching.